Wait lang, guys. Magpapalit ako magano. Rose na red.
Hi guys, it's lavender the purple.
Never mind.
Tulip na pink.
Rose na red.
Lily the blue.
And we are...
Flower Squad.
Flower Squad. Yeah.
Uy,
Guys, teleport sa akin. Guys, teleport sa akin.
Girly pop. Ay, wait. Okay, sige.
Teleport sa akin, please.
Wala.
Ay!
Guys, nagmano sa tayo sa taas.
Bring all.
Guys, wait lang.
Teleport tayo sa taas. Doon tayo magmamansion.
Wait lang, musod ka nga.
May nakita ko sa TikTok na ano, yung malaking SCP.
Guys, alam ko na gumawa ng bubble.
Oh my gosh, I can be Glinda. Let us speak now.
Hey!
Guys, may base ako gagawin. Mataas siya.
Ang ganda ng
Ate, can you speak? Ate?
Guys, wait lang. Ellie. Ay, Ellie.
Yes. Yes.
Tapos yung base natin malaki. Kasi laki ng ulo mo.
Yes, of course I am the my poopy wookie bear.
Ang tahimik mo kasi.
For all I know.
Crazy.
Not Batman. I'm Batman.
From the top, we can drop that bucket and I get top.
I'm turning wap, wap, wap. Ew.
Eto guys, parang gumawa ng bubble. Wait lang.
Oh my gosh, I can be Glinda, guys. Let us speak now.
Wait. Rose the red. Rose the red. Rose the red.
Ay, mali.
Rose the red.
Alphabet. Glinda. Alphabet.
Stand.
Ito lang.
Stand still. Stand still.
So if you take
Ayun!
Ay,
This
So
is...
to the western sky. Someone told you lately. Everyone has eyes. And you and I defying gravity. Raven, ano mo yung ano natin? Yung, ano yun? Health? Ay, Rose na red.
ano? Nandoon sa
Guys, can you move? Thank you guys. I love you guys. Excuse me guys.
Yeah.
Sigla si Kukoy.
Lele.
Who is this?
Ulit na po.
Guys?
Kasi wala naman kayo, excuse me. The store is now closed.
Guys! Ano yun?
I can't see.
Isa.
Ano cellphone?
Hoy, sino kumuha ng bubble? Ayun pala.
magkuha nun eh. Ano yun?
Sige.
Si Hubert yan.
Dali na, teleport si Hubert. That's so not skibidi of you, Hubert.
Ay, tignan mo, nakagawa ko ng bubble.
Edi wow. I'm gonna pop it.
Tulip na pink, ano yan?
Yeah!
Tulip na pink.
Ba't may Hubert dito?
Don't worry, I removed it.
Guys, gumagawa ko ng stairs, guys. This is so cool.
But can you make the stairs up on the floor? I mean, third. Loro Turi Pusi. Wait.
Guys, do you want some bubble? Bibigyan ko kayo ng isa-isa. May bubble. Bubble. Ito. Ayo, Ellie.
Tulip!
Ano?
Amber.
My goodness!
Dali ka dito. Bubble, guys.
Bye-bye. 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 So, Tulip is gone.
left the game, guys, because she's gonna do some work.
She's going to the hospital.
That's sad. Guys, gusto mo, Lavender, do you want some bubble? Here.
Force field yan, te. Diba?
Ha?
Force field yan.
Oo nga, kaso ginawa kong bubble sa cute.
We can. Rose na red.
Tignan nyo, may pang power ako, force field. Wait lang, gagawa ko.
Rose na red, come with me.
Yes.
My name Jess.
Saan na yun? Wait lang ah. I'm finding it. Wait. Hindi dun. Okay, wait. Come with me! Come with me, come with me, come with me now.
Ano yun?
Punta ka na sa akin. Ginawa ko na.
It's not her, it's me. It's me. So
What's
what you
happening?
find me?
Siya, anyway, so,
try defying gravity. No wizard is ever gonna bring me down. I hope you're happy. Bring me down. Oh.
I'm going now.
No wizard there ever is or was is ever gonna bring me down. I hope you're happy.
And I hope you're happy. Are you making the stairs?
Yeah, wait.
It's fair. So you can
Guys, I know how to make pool. How to make pool.
chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
Uy, wag yun.
Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Kumakanta lang ako eh.
That's scary. Alam mo yung Incredibles, di ba?
So you can define me to the West Coast.
Has someone told me lately everyone deserves a chance?
I really love Ariana Grande and Cynthia.
Oh, she's gonna become a mama.
Oh, she's gonna become something. I can't say that word. I'm a witch. I'm a bitch.
Excuse me, girly pop.
I'm sorry, girl.
In after dark, raise the alarm. Princes of hearts, played after dark. Off with their head, leave when they're dead. Say red, red, red. I'm on a path of destruction. Legal things upon the word. Set it up. Go berserk.
Guys, look! I have force field.
What?
Gusto niya gumawa. Ay, tignan nyo. Have force field na. This is my power. Nasaan ka ba? Ito ako.
Saan? Ay! Ang ganda! It's me!
Gusto niya gumawa ko ng ano? Ng bubble ni ano? Ni Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
Let us speak love.
Okay.
Who is Ariana? Who is Glinda in this group?
Guys, I'm gonna need ladder. Wait lang. I'm gonna get this ladder.
Lily.
Tapos,
Lily.
what?
Who's the Glinda in the group?
Ariana Grande.
Oh, who's the Glinda in the group? Our group.
Huh?
Ano, si Tulip.
Ah? Okay.
Tulip is our
Who's the
Glinda.
Elpa ba?
Si
Si
Alpha ba?
ano? Si Raven. Ay, si Raven.
Rose.
Guys, I'm the bubble. It's
Rose. Rose.
Wala ko yung dress. Yung ano?
Rose.
Yung gender.
Rose.
What?
Guys, maghanap tayo ng bagong base
Sabi
kasi
daw,
pangit
ikaw
to.
yung alpha ba?
Guys, halika. Halika, guys.
Okay.
Guys.
Okay.
May pupuntahan tayong bagong base kasi pangit yung ginawa nating base. Come on, guys. Let's go, guys.
Ay!
Run!
Run! Guys!
No!
Tignan mo sa likod mo.
Mama, girl behind you!
We need some shield. Guys, it's lagging.
You force field! It's chasing me!
It's me! Chicken nugget! That scared me.
Guys, halika.
Wait, guys.
Ate, I'll only allow you to pick Hubert lang.
I'm
Guys,
okay.
guys.
Chicken nugget is my
Gusto niyo ako ano yung gusto niyo parami ko? Ano yung parami ko? May power akong parami.
Wait lang, Ben, paano mo yun magagawa sa laptop?
Ay, tignan mo. I'm going to use my power. Look, Amber.
Lily!
Ay!
And this is also this is the end of the flower chapter. Bye. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, Clover.
Bye, Chloe.
Oh my God, so many.
Ay! Oy! Oy, badig ka ba?